This is my dad's pet hog, Piggly. Piggly. She's snoring up a storm. Aren't you, Piggly? She's about 9 years old. She's not even paying attention. My dad sent me out here with a cookie to give her. And she's not even paying it any mind. But my phone lens needs to be cleaned, I guess. I was going to show this gorgeous view back of my dad's house. There's Pigeon Mountain in the background. There's the sun. But I grew up on the farm next door. I'll have to go over there and do some videoing one day. But I love it out here. I've always loved it. It's so pretty. My dad's backyard. Anyway, have a good day, everybody.